Oh, you had a question.
Shoghu sir, I have a question for you. I just want to know that with this new government coming in, will we see an end to bunds and hartals and demonstrations and processions? I'm a common man.
It's a valid question and I'll reply. Mamta took a decision, our party took a decision about 2 years ago that we shall not call any bunds or we shall not call for any road blockades. You must remember that on 7th January when the Netai massacre took place, we did not call a band in the state. One of their ministers, Gautam Dev, who suddenly became very important during this campaign period, gave a threat that if TMC comes to power, we shall call a Bangla Band. We shall see to it that no bands are called. The question of TMC calling bands do not arise. We shall be able to persuade the people so that...
But Shogota, a band is not in the hands of a government, a band is in the hands of the opposition.
That's what Gautam said.
Sometimes during CPM time, if you remember MJ, it has been their annual practice to call a band on some policy,
they need an extra holiday.
some policy of the center or something, some international issue.
Okay.
They used to call a band annually,
Okay.
and people used to take it as that. So at least that is gone. The ruling party will not
Sir,
be calling
there's just
bands, and we shall try to create a situation so that
That is why Bengal Writers Building was called Ashi Jai, Maine Pai, Kash Kodle Beshi Chai.
overtime check. Yes.
Okay, let's get to the other issue now, which we will face perhaps on a daily basis. Now that the left is in the opposition, a lot of people saying that you will be in your natural element, and we'll see a lot of trading of charges, a lot of vitriolic language, the kind that we've already seen being used. Trinamool being blamed for having called the left in comparison to a four-legged animal. The left, of course, using very unpardonable, unparliamentary language. I shall not repeat it here.
For which they have been upgraded by the Election Commission.
Will we again see these names being traded, or will it be a respectable opposition?
Civilized language.
We have seen CPIM and the United Communist Party in opposition in Bengal. From Vidhan Rai's date to Siddharth Ray. One. Two, in the parliament, most of the time in the West Independent India, left is playing the role of the opposition. In many of the assemblies, even if we have 2, 4 and 5 in Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Andhra, everywhere, the left is playing its role of the opposition. In Kerala, occasionally, on a regular basis, we have played the role of the opposition. So this is nothing new for the CPIM or the Marxists or the leftists to play the role of opposition. Hardly only in the UPA 1, we supported and then during the VP Singh government and Gujarat government.
And are
most of the
suffering
time.
for it.
But we never had the occasion to throw shawls to the speakers or throw bunch of papers to the deputy speaker. I can tell you. I'm not reminding this.
Will there be personal vitriolic attacks against Mamata Banerjee?
No, the question does not arise because we believe in ideology and it's an ideology based. Of course, political activities will continue, and this also is not that tomorrow we are going to call a band. Gautam Dev said for last 3 years, the Trinamool Congress has become the cause and beneficiary of certain incidents which you are talking about. That should not be repeated.
Let us be
We are not going to repeat that.
Well, Salim, let's be specific. Are you going to call a band or start demonstrations against the petrol price hike?
Yesterday there was a procession protesting
So it
against
started.
this. If the petrol price hike there in Delhi and the corruption is there or the Swiss bank money is not being brought in, whether the country will protest or not. If Anna Hazare comes in, you celebrate. If the left comes in on the streets, you this will not be there.
No,
this
why
should be, if the people
why do you
protest,
give-
you
why do-
accept it.
Anna
No,
Hazare did not shut
democracy,
down Delhi.
no, democracy is, people will protest.
Why don't you
Either
give Bengal
Anna Hazare
a
or the
rest?
left, whoever. If something irregular is happening, whether people will protest or not. If it is organized, it's good. If it is not organized, it will be more uprooting the railway tracks. We are not doing that.
Shunanda, what kind of chief minister do you expect Mamta to be?
I'll expect her to be a very proactive chief minister because she has come with a huge mandate, and what is very clear from this election, whether it's TMC or the CPI party, if the government doesn't perform, she will be out in the next election irrespective of this mandate.
That's true.
The youth,
That's true.
the youth wants change. I think that's where a big role the media has played today. The youth sees what's happening even in Bihar, and the feeling is, why did we get left behind?
Absolutely.
So they
And
want
that is the critical
industry, they
question.
want agriculture to grow, they want services to grow. That will have to come.
And what exactly are you going to do about this growth? I mean, how your aspirations are extraordinary.
I know,
Today,
I know.
it's unbelievable in Bengal.
It's frightening. It's actually frightening. But if you, MJ, look at our election manifesto, and if you look at the supplement that we gave with it, we have given a detailed action plan of what we'll do in the first 100 days, what we'll do in the first 200 days, and what we'll do in the first 1000 days. In short, we have said that A, we would like to give good governance, for which purpose we will have to depoliticize both the administration, the police and the educational institutions. B, we have to immediately set about the task of improving infrastructure. And 3, our emphasis will be on employment generation, which will be so, and that is why we will lay emphasis on the MSME sector, that is medium, small and tiny sector. As also, we shall like to have big investment in the larger sector like
So
steel,
every
jute,
manifesto
etc.
is a declaration of what you want to do,
Yes.
not what you can do.
No, that is to be judged, but our intentions are honest. Mamta wants to do something. She has
Will you be
already-
able to raise capital?
will be able to, I am definite that with a friendly government in the center of which will be a part.
But the
we
center
shall-
is running out of money.
Center is not running out of money. The center is very, very solvent. The state under left front rule has become totally bankrupt. You know, the total accumulated debt of the state is 1,92,000 crores. It's mind-boggling. So what is if I had become a
What is the central government's loan which you have the minister? Accumulated loans?
No,
External,
central government,
internal?
see, central government loan and state government loan, there is a difference.
Always.
The state borrows from the center. The center has the Reserve Bank, center prints money.
External
So
debts.
no, external debt is not very high. It's
I'm asking,
entirely-
the budget is
the
reflected.
external
It's
debt.
more than 40 lakh crores.
External debt,
government
external
of India
debt
has-
is
Yeah.
manageable.
You're an
with the
industrialist.
remittances
Are you
which come.
going to invest in Bengal now? And what will be the
They are
nature?
firmly in Bengal, they've already got pattern company
I know.
who may manufacture
So I'm
tanks, and
just
they've got
saying-
electrical equipment.
Only it will be
Very
plastic
exporting
pattern tanks or
company.
real pattern tanks?
Very specific question. How much investment
We are
do you
currently
expect
having
industry to
Mr.
make
Last comment.
in the last one,
How much
next one?
investment?
We are die-hard Bengalis and our investment is all in Bengal
Okay.
by heart and by action, and we will continue to invest more and more. Only yesterday I had an American customer
Okay.
and we are expanding another unit here.
Okay.
So I said instead or in spite of
What about the rest of industry?
I'm saying the rest of industry, one brings another. Is all the question, the signal is like a good smell
a
or a
chain
bad
reaction.
smell.
It's a chain
It's a chain reaction. It's a multiplier
I've
effect.
got a question to Shohotula. About your manifesto, you said about education, you said about industry. What do you think about the health system, which is absolutely in shambles in this?
That's the last
country?
point. What about the health system?
Health system is
And it's
very
true,
important.
particularly in
And-
rural
and
areas.
you know, the one suggestion has come about that Mamta wants to hold the home, police, education and health, these 3 departments in
Okay.
her own hand.
Okay.
And our effort, we are 100% short, just half.
Okay.
We have just half of the primary health centers that are
All right.
required in this state.
Okay,
The main
completely-
effort would be to prevent more people
All right.
coming to Calcutta for treatment from the districts.
Okay, completely
We want to
out of
make
time.
the district
Completely
hospitals
out of time. We
self-sufficient.
have a lot of guests also waiting for us in the Noida War Room there. Rahul, it's over to you, but very clearly